Media files can be replaced, and you have the choice to overwrite them. Here is an example of a media file being updated, and how the new media file update now shows in place of the old media file. Therefore, it is advisable to maintain only one version of each media item. You can navigate to the media library through two main methods. Method number 1. Hover over content in the top left corner, then over Media, and select Media Library. Method number 2. Click on content in the top left corner, then, on the next page, select the Media tab. In the Media Library, choose the asset you wish to edit or replace from the list of media items by selecting the gray Edit button. From there you can navigate to the Remove button to delete the current media file. After you have the media file removed, you will now have the option to choose the new media file you would like this media type to be replaced with.